head to head. They were look, in the finals. It was 2 of our cars.
In the finals?
Yeah.
Look how loud that. He see that, don't he? Oh,
Team Allpar. 426 stroker, CH 403 speed, 9-inch rear.
whoa. All of this under here.
Look, man, we even build HPs, man.
8-speed transmission. I thought they don't work. They don't.
Oh, no,
Hey.
we do performance builds.
Oh, come on, man.
We go and change
Hey, you know what? I seen a ZF transmission the other day.
This is a ZF.
No, well, the stuff we use.
No, the stuff we use is ZF.
No, I'm talking about in the 1500s. See, it wasn't a pan like that. It was a steel pan.
In the 1500s?
No, this was in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I know, a Jeep Wrangler. Patrick did one the other day. It was a steel pan. And matter of fact,
See, they put the steel pan on it because it's off-road vehicle.
is that why?
Yeah, it's still a 70. It's the same thing as the 8 HP 70, but with the steel pan.
And matter of fact, is that my transmission tool?
No, man, no.
Dude, that's 62. I mean, that's a nag stuff.
Right.
That filter on that other pan is replaceable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got 2 screws holding on.
This is replaceable too.
Oh, it's just riveted
You
in
just gotta
there?
get a pan. I mean, you get the
Right,
pan,
well, you got to
know.
get the whole pan, but the filter on that one is actually replaceable. It's held in by two things. What you doing?
Building a transmission.
Was it burn up?
Yeah.
Dude, man.
Performance clutches, that's for nag. We just built a nag.
Are y'all still doing 5-speed? 5-speed nag?
Yeah,
It's still a demand for those?
It's performance builds. So we changed the friction materials in them. So we go with a more aggressive friction material. We machine the drums. We machine the pistons, so we can stack more clutches in there. So we get a more clutch capacity in there.
The end of the day, it's still a 5-speed
At the end of
transmission.
the day, yeah, it's still a 5-speed transmission.
But a better 5-speed because what? Just grabbing
And
more.
more torque, yeah. So we got more clutches in there and more aggressive clutches.
I've never been in 8-speed except in school. They won't let us do nothing. There's no parts. Where you getting parts from? Yeah, I know you ain't coming to the dealership to get them.
No, you can't.
That's right. That's what I mean.
I
Exactly.
get a whole rebuild kit for this shit.
I didn't even know such a rebuild kit exists.
If I wanted to go, dude, what the hell they do shit in BMW? You know, like same shit. BMW.
Sure is. What?
Yeah.
Why can't we? Like, if I had one of them.
Because Chrysler's buying them from BMW. So if something's wrong, you just fuck it, you know. You just get a whole new transmission. You know? The only thing you can get for it is a valve body and the pan. That's it, and the torque converter. You can't get a pump. You know.
You can't even get a pump for these. You need a pump. You get in the unit. So what do all these people want? What are they doing? Like what?
We just finished that Hellcat. We just finished a big ass engine build. You know, we're heading out to Alabama to go to the track tomorrow.
But I mean, what happened to the engine that was in it? What was? Is it something happened?
We just make it. You know, we change out the internals so they're stronger. So.
Well, you saying build? You use the word build, like
Build,
as
yeah.
in it was broke and you
Not
built.
necessarily. It's not always just built.
So you improved on what was already on there.
So like like that black Challenger, we did a stroker. You know, so like a stroker is just like you got the 3.5 and the 4.0. What's the difference? It's got a taller crankshaft, right?
Yeah.
So like the 4.0s that are in the Pacificas is the same thing
Before
as the 3.5,
as
right?
a 3.5,
It's a 3.5 block.
yeah.
But they put a taller crank in there, so now the piston travels further up and down, so you got more displacement. You got more displacement, that means more air. You got more air, you can put more fuel. You got more air fuel, that means you got more power.
Yeah.
You know, so we make the displacement something bigger.
Which one was you pointing at? At 300?
The silver one.
Oh, that's going to the track.
Yeah, we're going to the track tomorrow with it.
Oh, where y'all be going?
Tomorrow we're going to Alabama.
Oh, out of state.
Yeah, we're going to Montgomery.
Sure. How y'all going? What y'all pile up in the car and drive out there?
We put on the trailer. Yeah, we'll put in the trailer and we'll go on the truck.
Oh, that's what's up.
It's a group of us going tomorrow.
I've been saying, do you shut down or Carlos staying here? I mean,
It's like testing. It'd be in the evening. So you know.
Oh.
Like Montgomery's like 2 hours away.
It is.
So like 5:30, we
Yeah.
get everything loaded up by 5:30. So by 6, we can head out.
Yeah.
We get there by 8. Unload, make our passes. Head back. About 11, 12.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. It ain't no more than 2 hours away. And that's what y'all gonna be in. Who's the driver? Y'all got a set driver? A
I'll be
driver?
driving that one there.
Oh, for real?
I'll drive it. So we learned because we be making these cars fast as hell, but the customers get in, they don't really know how to drive right off the rip. Like this guy here is already talking hella shit because there's an event Sunday, so we gotta be in Houston on Saturday, then we gotta be back here on Sunday for an event down in Reynolds.
Damn.
So we literally, as soon as that shit is done, we heading right back over here.
Man, that's what's up.
So, see that shit there? He's already talking all this shit about, yeah, I'm getting my car, this and that. No help, it cannot drive with the shit. So we got to go out. We got to take it to the track so we can get a slip and we can post, yeah, you know, we did such and such. So now when people see it and he drives shitty, they can't say, oh man, he picked it up from such and such shop and it's slow as up. No, the car's not slow. The driver's bad. You know, we drove the car and we got a slip, but you know, so now it's talking shit about the driver, not about the shop. You know,
I always thought the driver is just the guy that set it in and push the gas pedal.
More
he has to have skills.
There's skill to that.
Wow.
Especially when you're making that much power, there's a technique to how you launch it. You know, you got to know how to line up in the groove. You know, it's a lot of shit. You know, you can't just go out there and say, yeah, you just gonna smash your shit.
That's why I was like, all of these. What are y'all doing? Just typical.
So this one here,
That's a 6'1".
It's 6'1".
That shit look like the General Lee.
It's a 6'1". So 6'1" is a 370, right? The cubic inches is a 370. Where we got the motor, we're building the motor, so it's gonna be a 426.
Oh, you got the motor out of it?
Yeah, the motor's out of it, so it's gonna be a 426. So that's gonna be a 7-liter.
Yeah, y'all take the engine out, set it in there to do it, and put it back outside. Is that a nag?
Yeah.
And it can handle all of that? It's gonna be able to handle it?
We build a nag, so.
Oh, you gonna do that too? This look like it's gonna be a while. The customer know that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They prepared to. All right, guys. I've had just about enough fun. I'm about to get out of here. I had to come pay my buddy a visit. A lot going on over here. I can't seem to explain none of it. I've digested a little of the information, but it's not sticking for some reason. Okay, this stuff, the high performance stuff, not really my cup of tea, although I can figure it out, you know, with a little help. But I'm trying to get him to do some work on this, but he seemed to, I need a tune and a turbo and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna leave it here. I got another ride home, so I'm gonna leave this right here and see how much horsepower I can get out of it. But that's a better view right there. So y'all, I've been over here quite a bit now. I'm still trying to get him on the live stream, guys. I'm trying. I know y'all asked me try to get him back on. I'm trying, guys. I don't know. I mean, the guy's busy. They're going to the track tomorrow. They headed out of state. They got a lot going on. Allpar Garage, you know. So all I can do is try. When you're busy, you're busy. Actually, busy is a good thing. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's not a bad thing to be busy. Oh, you know, although you still got to find time for fun. So I'm sure they do that. But yeah, I got to come out here every now and then and pay my buddies a visit. Yes, I happen to know the owners. They know me very well. In fact, they call me all the time for tips and tricks, because y'all know the name of my channel is Online Mechanic Tips, and I have some old tip videos to upload very soon, guys, so y'all stay tuned. But for now, I gotta get out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.